I'm Hector Cardenas, a practice leader with Prolecto Resources. In this short video, Meir, Bulman, and I discuss accrued purchases, purchase variances, and a new solution our team at Prolecto used to tackle accrued purchase reconciliation challenges. I hope you enjoy the video.
It's a tool. I think it's really needed in the market. I see so many clients struggling with understanding their accrued purchases, also sometimes called IRNB, inventory received, not billed. Of course, that's the account that when you have item receipts and vendor bills, that's the account that the two kind of flow through. It's the clearing account, really. Trying to get your hands around that account is difficult. Part of the difficulty is when there are variances that a company is going to accept. Maybe it's beneath the minimum threshold or something. So the quantity might be a little bit off between what you received and what the vendor charged you for, or the price might be a little bit off. You need a mechanism to write off those variances. And the native tool is good, it's adequate, but it's got some things that this tool really adds in terms of functionality. One key thing is just visibility of what the balances are before you write them off, so that with your tool, you can see exactly what's going to be written off, what those variances are before you select that to then generate those variance transactions. So that's like the first thing that just stood out. Yeah, that's a key thing that I think a lot of people struggle with. And then the other thing is the fact that you're using not journal entries. I think you're using custom transaction types. That's always a good practice, because now benefit of that, when someone looks at that, they know exactly what this is. It's not like a mystery. Why did someone do this adjustment? It's pretty clear what it is. And then I noticed you have the tagging, like everything's nicely linked together right there on the transaction line. You not only have a link back to the PO, you've got a link back to the item record, to the unique line item identifier. What that allows for is subledger reporting, which as an accountant, that's what I really care about, is can I understand what's in this GL account? And now I can tie it all together between the PO, the item receipt, the item, the line, and what has been written off. So that's another really great thing. And then finally, another thing that really jumped out at me as a good approach to it is the way it's built is like self-healing, which means it's always just assessing on this PO line, where am I? What did we receive against it? What did we bill against it? Is there a variance in that accrued purchases / IRNB account? If there is, it's going to act on it. It's going to create that entry. If there isn't, it's not there because there is no variance. And it incorporates any previous entries that you've generated with the tool, right? So imagine you generate an entry, writes off a variance, but then something changes later. Someone goes and edits the item receipt, or edits the vendor bill, or maybe modifies that. Something happens, right? It's okay. Just come up next time. It'll just pop up in the tool because now it'll see, hey, there's a variance. So it's like balance sheet oriented. It's like, right now, where am I? And if there's anything to write off, it'll go do it. Again, if you tell it to do it, right? You got that bulk processor in there. So to me, it's like all the elements that a controller should care about in terms of a good tool to help them get through their month end.
We hope you found these insights helpful. If you're ready to get more out of your NetSuite investment and unlock untapped potential in your business, start your journey with Prolecto. Contact us today.